Hey, Tad Stevens here. Want to share my experience with a program called Your Easy Way Out by Brent Rataki and Mike from Maine. I've done a lot of programs, and this is probably the easiest, simplest, get started fastest affiliate marketing program that I've run across. I mean, I really like it. I have purchases and I use it daily. So I have experience with a lot of other ones. And this one, as I tell a lot of my coaching clients that I talk to, is a get it out the door kind of method. It gets it done. And it gets it done without paid advertising, without a ton of your time. You can do it as a part-time gig. You can do it as a side hustle, as they call them. You can get it done. You can get it out the door, and it follows what I like to call the KISS principle. Keep it super simple, which it does. Get you started. It's great if you're just starting out in affiliate marketing, but it's also good if you've been doing it for a while or you've tried other things and nothing's really clicked. It takes you down the simple, most efficient way to get things out the door and get it done. Highly recommend it. Think it's very much worth it. You're welcome to give me a ping on Facebook or LinkedIn. Happy to chat with you, share my experiences in more detail. And it is my first recommendation for affiliate marketing. There are others that you can jump into as you get farther down the line, but I would start here. So go pick it up. It's broken down into 6 modules to be done in 6 weeks, but I did it all in a weekend. It's really quick and easy to get through, and it's understandable, and you can hit the ground running very quickly. You don't have to wait 6 weeks. Like I said, I did mine in a weekend. So go get it. Let me know any questions and look forward to seeing you out there.